everyone, welcome back to my channel. Clearly, I'm going through it, my room's going through it. It is what it is. I'm just here to quickly tell you guys that I'm so sorry. I really thought I was going to have enough videos to film and edit and export, upload, all that good stuff by the time we had to move, but I was wrong and I ran out of time for dealing with our house stuff. We are less than 12 days away from having to be out of this house and we still haven't found a house. So coronavirus and everything kind of has everybody going a little crazy and it's kind of a lot, but we will get through it. We will figure it out. If I have to be in an apartment temporarily, then that's what it has to be. So I will be back to filming. This could go up and then I could post a video like 2 days after. I don't even know. But as soon as this, oh my gosh, sorry. So I do have a video in my laptop that I can still edit and upload. I just don't know when I'll have time to edit and upload it. So as soon as I have time, I will edit and upload that. But after that, I don't know when my next video will be coming out. And so I'm really nervous because I don't want you guys to think that I don't care. It's not that. We just have a lot going on and I have to pack up all this stuff and the rest of my house, which is still not done because we've been so occupied with looking. But anyway, you guys, not making this video for a pity party, just trying to let you guys know where I'm at, why I haven't been here, and such. Also, I quickly want to thank you guys so much for the love on the post that I posted about Nakia Joy Cosmetics sharing my picture. You guys, I cried. I want to like joke around. Sorry, my AC turned on. I have to keep going. The people are outside fixing the house and they just took a break and I'm like, let me get this video in really quickly. So yeah, I was so excited, cried. Thank you guys so much for even caring, like, at all. And yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to update you guys really quickly. I will be back. I'm just not sure when. I'll be on social media. You can still message me and such and I'll just reply when I can. But to actually sit myself here for hours, film, edit, upload, all that stuff, I just don't have the time for it. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys in my next one, hopefully soon, in a new setting. Thank you so much for being patient with me. Alright, adios. Also, I already said adios, but I'm back. I just do quickly want to mention that I didn't forget about giveaways and stuff like that. I don't have to do them at a certain point, but I wanted to do a giveaway when I reached 300 subscribers and I didn't get a chance to. So all that is being pushed down, but I will do my best to get a giveaway going soon for you guys because I really do appreciate you guys. But not making any promises as to when. Just simply saying I'm so grateful for you guys and I want to do a giveaway. I just don't know when. Okay, now adios for real.